Hello guys, welcome to Travel Lovers TV. Today we have come to M5 Electronic City Mall, which is newly opened in Electronic City. So they have one fun city, that is the game zone right there. Let's get into this game zone and see what are the games available and what are the prices. So here you can see on the screen, these are the arcade games available right there. So those are 1 credit each. So the system of credits is followed in this fun city. So these are also 1 credit each. So you have to buy these credits based on your requirements. So here you can see there is a game over here that is also 1 credit. So even adults, kids, all of them can play these games. So these are doll games. Some of these doll games are 2 credits and some are 1 credit. So this is 1 credit. Some bigger doll games are 2 credits. Here you can see you have drift zone, that is basically bumper cars. This is also available here. The track is fair enough. There's a separate birthday zone here. So here you can see kids and all have can celebrate their birthdays. Customizable birthday packages are available. You can ask the store for the further details. So now you can see there's a strike, that is bowling, also available inside this place. So these are the other ticket games, other entertainment games. Kids can fully enjoy in this place. It is big enough. So this is this whole place look. So this also happy swing. Kids along with their adults can have great fun over here. So these are the 2 credit games I was talking about. So some are 1, some are 2, right? There are some bigger games that is available for 2 credits in this row. So bigger dolls that if you want to achieve, that are 2 credits. Coming to the pricing, how do you buy these credits? We have already discussed in forum Falcon City Mall. There is same Fun City available. So same credit system, same kinds of recharge also available. What they do is you have to buy credits, like say 1300 you buy. So each 100 is a credit. So almost their card charges everything, if you remove, it will be like 11 credits like that for 1200. That is like basic starting. So if you want more credits, it will be 2400, 3600 based on the credits that you will need. And so approximately what we have calculated is each game here costs like 100 rupees or something. So here you can see the system of games available here. So 1100 for 11 place, 2200, 3000 something. These are the pricings available here. Even the gifts also are there. And if you come on Tuesdays, all the arcade games you can play only for 10 rupees. So any kids arcade games, 10 rupees you can play. So here you can come and enjoy. And this is the pricing details about the entire game zone.